A lot of people are asking why are Southeast are not protesting. I'm going to answer you in this video and bring you evidence for you to know. But one thing that I want to tell the Nigerians who are protesting, do not worry about Southeast. Continue doing your own thing. Because if Southeast join this protest, they will blackmail you people and the protest will end. So leave Southeast for now, continue what you are doing. Southeast will join, but not now. We are not gonna join you people now. When you people are truly ready, we know that you people are ready, we will join. But however, that is bad. I'm just saying on my own. So Southeast say they are not joining the protest. But I want to show you this video for you to watch and tell me the reason why the Southeast should join this protest. They are mounting roadblock in different places in Lagos, asking people that are going to protest, are you an Igbo? If you say you are an Igbo, they will attack you. But if you are not Igbo, they may leave you to pass. I want to watch it for this our sister, the Yoruba self, that even saying it. So watch it, and before we come back and continue, we'll get many things we want to talk for here today. Things that are happening in the north, the looting that continue going on in the north now. They are looting Igbo businesses in the north. And we are going to bring all the whole video, show you that APC are sponsoring most of those people you see, and APC give them money to do anything to crack down this protest. We are going to show you in this video. But let us watch this video, the reason why Igbos say they are not joining this protest. Watch the video.
Okay, nothing happened. This was a peaceful demonstration. Only for us to get to this place where the boys were telling us, what do you come to do here? You, Mama Yibo, you came to Yoruba land to do this. He was threatening me. Even if I'm a Mama Yibo, am I not in Nigeria? Am I not in Nigeria? Even if I'm Mama Yibo. Is that a threat? There is no any security personnel there around us. None of them is here. They are far back behind us here. They are far back behind us here. They are here. We've not seen any of the security personnel. So they want it to happen before they will now come. They will not say they had bad government people. They've started in Ojota. Is that what they want? That is why we want to go to the commissioner of police here and tell him, if you are here to protect us, you will not stay back. And let us be threatened by the state unions, the state sponsor dog, that is still threatening us. He threatened me live. He said, Ọmọ Yibo, kí ló wá ṣe níbí báyìí? Ọmọ tó ná gbogbo yín lẹ́yọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan. My name is Fumi Jolade Ajayi, and even though if I'm Ọmọ Yibo, am I not in Nigeria? Am I not a taxpayers? When does it become a crime to protest in Nigeria? Forget about your religion, forget about ethnicity, forget about tribalism. We are all Nigerians. Injury to one is injury to all.
I don't know you get the point right now. In the times of protests, the Igbos and the Yorubas and the Hausa is one. Then when troubles come, they will not turn around and say that is the Igbos. Then in the times of presidency, the Igbos are not Nigerians. Yorubas and Hausa are Nigerians. This is the anger of the people of Southeast. So nobody will judge them for this. No matter anything you say, no matter anything you think. When Nnamdi Kanu was declared to be released in different courts, in appeal court, in the federal court, in all the whole court in Nigeria, say release Nnamdi Kanu, nobody come outside to protest and say this injustice about this man is too much. Let me tell you, the way you see things is not the way things work in the court. You may cut me on camera where I say so many things, and when we come to court and my lawyer defended me, I'm innocent. And that is the case of Nnamdi Kanu. Some Nigerians say make them still hold am for there, but they don't release Sunday Igboho. They don't release somebody like Showore calling for revolution and other people in Nigeria. But Nnamdi Kanu is still incarceration because he's an Igbo man. Do you think that Southeast are happy because Nnamdi Kanu is still there? They are not happy. When you release Nnamdi Kanu, then other thing you people are talking will be entering in their ear. But however, let me show you the videos of what is going on in the north in this protest. Just settle down and watch all the whole videos I'm going to show you here.
But if you say you dey hungry, why you can't say no protest?
It's because of the 5,000.
It's because of the 5,000 naira they give to us this morning.
Yes.
That's the reason why we come out
to say no protest.
To say it's not in our mind to say no protest.
Yes.
So who be the person who mobilize them?
We don't know them. They come with 3 vehicles this morning in our area, telling us to follow them. They will give us 5,000. We should say no to protest. We are not in support of that because we are hungry for love.
Where be that?
This hardship is in Asoko.
Okay. What's the name?
My name is
Osai Emmanuel. From Benue. Which work do you do?
I do plumbing work.
Okay.
And I'm Anthony from Anambra State.
Okay.
I'm a scaffolder.
But today you deal with those who no one protest.
That is the reason why you can see I'm playing. I'm not holding that
placard.
What do you call it?
Placard, the cardboard.
The cardboard, yes. I'm not holding it on hand.
Okay.
It's because of I'm too. I don't need it. I will never hold that.
It's okay.
Yes, those people here behind Tinubu campaign office.
They say we should collect 1,000 to wear yellow clothes. So we are not accepting their 1,000.
They is hungry.
So we don't agree for their 1,000. They give us 1,000. They give us 1,000. We don't agree for that. Because we don't agree. We don't pass 1,000.
Allah wallahi ba wani waye wallahi dole a cikin himma ai kudin mu ne kai
Send to connect to the show. I send to connect to Shanji.
hakin mu ne mun dauka duk mun samu kaya a kudi falo wallahi ga hinan kyauta inda mun ce da magi ni ba ka da mu ce da man haka da ka ajje ni ne hannun mu ya kai muka dauko ta Sakwatan abinci da mun asko sakwatan abinci asko mu talaka muna jin yunwa ba ai shiga daki
That's how that's all happened.
And then the door, even the door, they put the door out. They back body TV, body fridge, they come out the compressor. Everything that woman is using to live out, they pack everything, including shoes for them, they pack. They stack my bag, remove my bag that I'm using to put my clothes. Body clothes, carry some clothes, put inside. Back the kaya inside my box, they carry it around.
As you can see, how these people turn to violence, and we already informed you that we have a lot of bad elements, criminals, armed robbers among them. You can see this one. We arrest him with a live ammunition. Live ammunition. What are you using it for?
Sorry, this one is not. I'm not.
It's not ammunition.
It's ammunition. I'm not.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, no problem. You can see the reason why we receive intelligence information that some people are trying to dress like us and to join the protesters so that they can do whatsoever they want to. That is why you can see this one. We arrest him with this. You can see something you have never noticed in our arms, and that is the major reason why you see most of our policemen here, almost all those that are participating in the operation, you see them with a red this on their arms. That is why you can see him now with a police camouflage. You see another one with scissors. You see, and this one, look at that knife.
I see it in the ground.
Okay, you saw it on the ground. Then you fit it. no problem. It's part of the protesters. Thank you.
Okay, my people. So far, they say that 20 people don't buy for these protests, where the police people now buy them. My people, now waiting they happen, and I will say more bring and conscious. And I say they carry the this business, oil, both Indomie, everything they carry them, they work out for people. Now so we see them, and I will say more carry and come give on. I beg, share this video as it they hot.